Humanoid robots set to revolutionize automotive manufacturing. Hi, I'm Catherine Kat Cunningham, for QFleetNews. In a bold step towards automation, automotive giants Mercedes-Benz, BMW, and Tesla are integrating humanoid robots into their manufacturing processes, setting a new standard for efficiency and safety on production lines. These robots, designed to assist with labor-intensive tasks, are set to reshape the industry and address ongoing workforce challenges. Mercedes-Benz partners with Apptronik's Apollo robot. Mercedes-Benz recently announced a partnership with Apptronik, a US-based robotics company, to bring the Apollo humanoid robot into its production facilities. Apollo is no ordinary machine, it's equipped with advanced AI and designed for dynamic work environments. Standing 5 feet 8 inches tall with a 55-pound payload capacity, Apollo can deliver parts, inspect components, and safely interact with human workers on the line. We're exploring how humanoid robotics can support our skilled workforce, said Jörg Berzer, a senior leader at Mercedes-Benz. This is a new frontier that could fill labor gaps in repetitive and physically demanding areas, allowing our skilled team members to focus on the finer details of building our vehicles. BMW deploys Figure robots in South Carolina. BMW Manufacturing has joined the movement by partnering with Figure, a robotics company specializing in general-purpose humanoids, to automate physically taxing and repetitive tasks. Initial phases are already underway at BMW Spartanburg, South Carolina plant, where the robots are working side by side with employees on high-risk, physically demanding tasks, helping to increase productivity and create a safer working environment. Dr. Robert Engelhorn, CEO of BMW Manufacturing, sees this as a crucial step in BMW's modernization. Integrating general-purpose robotics allows us to drive productivity while enabling our human teams to concentrate on the transformation needed to meet evolving customer demands, he said. Tesla's Optimus, pioneering the future of automation. Tesla, known for its forward-thinking approach, has developed Optimus, its own humanoid robot. Optimus is designed to support production tasks within Tesla facilities, aiming to streamline operations and address labor shortages as the company scales production. Transformative impact on the automotive industry. The automotive industry is embracing humanoid robots not just as tools, but also as essential assets for modernizing production. These robots offer several benefits. Enhanced safety. By taking on physically demanding work, humanoid robots reduce risks of injury for human workers. Improved efficiency. With near-constant operation capabilities, these robots help meet high production demands with minimal downtime. Labor augmentation. Filling in for roles that are challenging to staff, humanoid robots support human workers by handling repetitive or hazardous tasks. Flexibility and adaptability. Unlike traditional single-task robots, humanoid robots can perform a variety of functions, offering dynamic support to production teams. What's next for humanoid robotics in manufacturing? Humanoid robots are redefining the role of automation in automotive manufacturing. As AI capabilities grow, these robots are expected to take on increasingly complex tasks, potentially expanding into quality control, maintenance, and beyond. For now, Mercedes-Benz, BMW, and Tesla are leading the charge, demonstrating that humanoid robots may very well be the automotive industry's next frontier. Keep following QFleetNews for updates on this groundbreaking shift in manufacturing. I am Catherine Kat Cunningham. Bye for now.